Hello everyone, let's learn how you can sum the total amount between two dates. One is starting date and the second one is ending date. In this illustration, we are going to use two functions as you can see. That is, for the sum, we are going to use SUMIF and SUMIFS function in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So here you need to write the formula, that is equal to SUMIF. So range, this will be our range, that is date B4 to B11 would be our range. Then you need to give a comma. In criteria, you need to write down inside a quotation mark, that is less than equal to, then and generally we are giving the instruction to the Excel, calculate if it is less than equal to end date. End date means F6, right? Once you have written this, give a comma. Then again it is sum target. Our sum target is C4 to C11, right? Close the bracket. Here it is very straightforward. Sum if B4 to B11 if it is less than and equal to end date, right? It means it will calculate all the amount which is equal to end date or less than that. Then minus sum if once again. Then for the range, we are giving the range, that is same one, B4 to B11, comma. Here in the criteria we are going to write down, if it is, have a look very carefully, if it is less than and start date, if it is less than start date, comma, you are giving the instructions to sum all this C4 to C11. So before I press the enter, let me explain you what does it means. First you are giving the instruction to the Excel, B4 to B11. Here if it is less than and equal to, it means the date which is less than or equal to, it means before the same date. Then you are giving the instruction to add all this, but at the same time in minus sum if B4 to B11 and it is less than, it means first you are calculating everything else from this date to the downwards or back date, but at the same time you minus with the start date, right? So that you are getting the sum. So answer will be 4628 between the start date and end date. But for SUMIFS you need to write a function that is equal to SUMIFS, this one, sum range, that is again C4 to C11 over here, comma B4 to B11. If it match with this condition, that the condition is if it is less than equal to, close the conditions, and the way we have written end date, that is F6 over here, then give a comma, B4 to B11, this one, comma, again we are writing a conditions, if it is more than and equal to, criteria close, and starting date, that is F5, bracket close. The moment I hit enter, I should get the same answer, right? In that way you can utilize SUMIF and SUMIFS functions in Microsoft Excel to calculate anything which is between two dates, start date and the end date. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.